Once upon a time, in the crystal-clear waters off the coast of Jamaica, there lived a beautiful mermaid named Maurice. With shimmering scales that sparkled like diamonds under the sun, she was the most radiant creature of the Caribbean Sea. Every evening, as the golden sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the ocean, Maurice had a cherished ritual that brought her peace and joy. At exactly 6 o'clock, she would rise from the depths of her underwater home, a vibrant coral palace adorned with colorful fish and swaying seaweed. With her long, flowing hair cascading like waves around her shoulders, she would sit on a large, smooth rock where the ocean kissed the shore. There, she pulled out her treasured seashell comb, intricately carved from iridescent shell and glimmering with hues of blue and green. As the sun painted the sky with strokes of pink and orange, Maurice would begin to gently comb through her hair. Each stroke was a celebration of the day that had passed. As the comb glided through her locks, she sang sweet songs of the sea, melodies that danced on the breeze and echoed through the gentle waves. The enchanting sounds drifted ashore, drawing the attention of people on the beach, who would pause in awe, captivated by the mysterious beauty of the voice singing just beyond their view. Little did they know that Maurice, the mermaid, was weaving stories into her hair with each stroke of the comb, tales of adventure, love, and the magic of the ocean. But she also longed for a wandering soul to share her secret, someone who would understand her world and the songs of the sea. One particular evening, a young fisherman named Kai was out on his boat, his heart heavy with dreams unfulfilled. Hearing the melodious tunes cascading through the air, he followed the sound, drawn in like a moth to a flame. As he reached the rocky shore, there she was, Maurice, a vision of beauty and grace. Their eyes met, and in that moment, time seemed to stand still. Maurice blushed beneath the waves, and Kai, mesmerized by the sight, felt a connection that was as deep as the ocean itself. They exchanged stories and laughter, their souls intertwining as dusk turned to night, revealing a sky full of stars. From that day forward, Kai would return every evening at 6 o'clock, joining Maurice on the shore as she combed her hair and sang her songs. In each other, they found a kindred spirit, proving that love knows no bounds, be it land or sea. And thus, the beautiful mermaid and the dreaming fisherman became part of a timeless tale, their laughter echoing like waves against the shore, forever intertwined in the heart of Jamaica.